Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am testing Chat GPT's skill to help me plan a trip to Dubai. Now I am already a Dubai resident and this is how I will be able to understand the recommendations made by Chat GPT and if they're really worth it. So let's hit the Chat GPT and let's find it out. I'm already on the chat.openai.com website and let's start asking our questions. Can you help me in planning a trip to Dubai? Let's see, of course, okay. I would be happy to help you plan a trip to Dubai. Dubai is a vibrant and dynamic city known for its modern architecture, luxurious hotels, shopping malls, and a lively nightlife. Well, to assist you better, could you please provide me with some additional information? Alright, so ChatGPT is now having that conversation with us, and this is why ChatGPT is getting so popular, right? It's a generative AI tool that interacts with us like any human would do. So it almost feels like talking to a travel agent. When do you plan to visit Dubai? How long will your trip be? What is your budget for accommodation? And so on. Let's answer some of these questions for ChatGPT to see what kind of recommendation it is going to come up with. I would like my trip to be for 2 weeks period, and please recommend the best time to visit. Okay, it's already answering to my questions. Now generally, if you see, whenever someone plans a trip to Dubai or anywhere in the world, we have to visit YouTube or read blogs to understand all the details, all those fine nitty-gritties for us to plan that trip. But here, in this case, ChatGPT is already giving us those answers. A 2-week trip to Dubai sounds great. The best time to visit Dubai is during the winters. Right, that's true, because the rest of the months can get really hot. When the weather is pleasant, mild and ideal for outdoor activities. During this time, temperature ranges from 20 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade, making it comfortable for sightseeing and exploring the city. Alright, that's nice. Now here is a suggested itinerary for your 2-week trip to Dubai. Day 1 to day 3, arrival in Dubai Marina. That's nice. Dubai Marina is actually a bustling waterfront area with stunning skyscrapers, shops, restaurants, and beautiful promenade. Day 4 to 6, downtown Dubai and Burj Khalifa. Okay, that's nice. Old Dubai for cultural experiences, desert safari and adventure, Palm Jumeirah and beach time. We all love Dubai beaches, trust me. Remember to allocate some free time to explore local markets, try traditional Emirati cuisine, and engage in shopping at various souks and malls throughout your trip. Let's ask some more specific questions from ChatGPT. What are the main attractions to visit in Dubai? Can you list them in an order for me? Nice, certainly. Here's a list of main attractions to visit in Dubai. But I'm really impressed by its capability. Alright. So many places. Oh my god, this is really overwhelming. Burj Khalifa, the iconic skyscraper and the tallest building in the world. Of course, it has to be number 1. Dubai Mall, Palm Jumeirah. It's an artificial island in the shape of a palm tree, known for its luxurious resorts including Atlantis, the Palm, and the stunning beachfront properties. Dubai Marina, Dubai Creek, Jumeirah Beach, Dubai Museum, Burj Al Arab, Dubai Fountain, Dubai Frame, Global Village, and the list goes on. But I read 2 names there that sounds familiar. Dubai Creek and Global Village. You know what? Actually, I have more detailed videos about both of these places on my YouTube channel. Go check that out. Dubai Parks and Resorts, the list goes on. That's nice. What are the best areas to live in during my trip? Dubai offers a variety of neighborhoods and areas to live in during your trip, each with its own unique characteristic and attractions. I love the speed at which it is responding. You just hit enter with your question, and there you go. There is a response from Chat GPT. And I can swear on all of these recommendations that Chat GPT is suggesting. All of this makes so much sense. Downtown Dubai, JBR, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, Jumeirah, Arabian Ranches, Dubai International Financial City. All of these are very well known areas to live in. Can you suggest the best hotels or resorts to live in? Certainly. Dubai is renowned for its luxurious hotels and resorts. Here are some top recommendations across different areas in Dubai. Burj Khalifa from Jumeirah. Wow, love it. Atlantis, Armani Hotel, Jumeirah Al Qasr, one and only the Palm, and the list goes on and on and on. I can see some of very big names in that list. Might be expensive, so you might have to do some more research and find out some of the more affordable options as well. Actually, let's do that now. Can you suggest some more affordable hotels as well? There you go. It never stops. If you're looking for more affordable hotel options in Dubai, here are some recommendations. Doesn't it feel like exactly talking to a travel agent, right? Asking those questions and then getting those responses in like a second? Premier in Dubai, Ibis Dubai Mall of the Emirates, Holiday Inn Express Dubai Jumeirah, City Max, Arabian Park, Rove Downtown. And these are certainly some of the affordable options compared to the list that we earlier saw. Alright, when in Dubai, what is the preferred way to commute? Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. It's taking some time. And there you go. Dubai offers various transportation options to help you get around the city conveniently. Here are the preferred ways to commute. Dubai Metro, taxis, Dubai Tram, buses, water buses and abras. Water buses and abras are essentially boats that you can take ride with. Wooden boats called abras, offering a unique way to commute. Water buses are larger vessels, while abras are smaller boats used to crossing the Dubai Creek. That name sounds familiar again to me. Dubai Creek is actually an area called Al Seef, and I have a more detailed video about Al Seef on my YouTube channel. Go check that out. Rental cars. Alright, yeah, so if you prefer more independence and flexibility, if you rent a car in Dubai, if you have an international driving license, you can drive in Dubai. Let's stop that and find one more question. Ask one more question about the currency. Well, when we are going to be in Dubai, we will have to spend, right? Alright, let's see. Which currency to use when in Dubai? The currency used in Dubai is UAE dirhams, AED or DHS. When visiting Dubai, it is recommended to carry local currency for day-to-day transactions, as cash is widely accepted throughout the city. You can obtain dirhams from currency exchange offices, banks or ATMs, which are widely available in malls, hotels and other public areas. Isn't that really helpful? How did you find the video? And if you think someone can benefit from this video, please share this video with them. If you would like to ask ChatGPT some more questions about planning a trip to Dubai or anywhere in the world, drop me a comment below and I can make one more video just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.